everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hadassah and today's video is a fun one. We're going to be going over this current fall makeup look that I have on right now. I have seen it many times on Pinterest, Instagram, and I kind of wanted to do a version of my own. It's very quick, it's minimal, and it literally works on everyone, so let's just get right into the video. Alright, so this is my complete bare face right now, washed and ready to go, so let's just start with the first step. The very first thing that I do is moisturize my face after washing it. So I typically go in with the La Roche-Posay moisturizer, and I kind of just tap on my forehead, cheek, and my chin. Mix it all in. I like using moisturizers instead of primers just because it really hydrates your skin and makes sure that all of the makeup is actually soaking in and it doesn't look really dry. Once I have my moisturizer in, I typically work on my eyebrows because that's just something that you don't really want to do towards the end. I mean, you can save it for the end, but preferably for myself, I like to start with that first just to kind of give the overall look of my face. I don't really like to wear anything heavy on my eyebrows, so I go in with the Kosas Air Brow, which is just a gel serum that lifts it up a little bit. So if you see me look here, there's a mirror here, so just a little bit so that it can stay throughout the day. Once my eyebrows are pretty much done, I like to go in with some concealer. I don't really like wearing foundation just because it can make my face feel really heavy. So I just use concealer throughout my makeup routine. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer. Go over like the dark areas that I see on my face. So typically under my eyes, tiny bit on my forehead, and then a little bit on my chin and upper lip. Then I go in with my beauty blender specifically for concealer. Spray it with whatever setting spray that I use. I'm currently using the Plump Finish by NYX. Blend all of that in. After the concealer has set in with the setting spray, I now go in with the Rare Beauty powder blush in the shade Berry Rush. Okay, now the exact same thing that I did for the beauty blender is what I'm going to do for the brush. Tap the brush and go upwards. I also take some and kind of crinkle it on my nose and put it on my forehead just to balance out the overall color. Once the blush is on, I'm not going to spray my face yet. We're going to save that at the end because we're basically towards the end. Now I'm going to go in on my lips with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. I basically line my entire lip. Now I'm going to be going in with the Ysl Gloss. I think it's in the shade Loveshine. It looks like this. And then we're just going to mix. It kind of gives it this like cherry cola look. And then just to kind of balance out the reds or the deep berry colors going on, I'm going to go in with the Nyx Butter Gloss in the shade Rome. Color over the red and mix. Now that you kind of have that overall look, you go in with your setting spray again and then just make sure that it soaks in and gives you that matte finish for that ultimate fall look. Alright, there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fall makeup tutorial and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye.